This should now reattach. Looks good to me. Let's put the last 6 screws in. I'll just see if this baby even starts up. Put some batteries in it. Moment of truth, guys. Do you think it's gonna work? Oh, man, we have nothing. Let's check them out. Let's try them on different ones. Alright guys, so these are the old batteries and give us some new ones. Hopefully that solves our problem. And we have light. Is the string still good? Last touch. The thing that has been needing the most actually, because since I've owned it, it's had problems, but it never had a face. But now we got one. Set this baby in place. And look at that. Looks good, doesn't it? Way better than before. Keeping retro out of the dumpster. Or the, what they call it, the scrap yard. Let's find retro.